Ooh. What's up? Alright, so today we are going back to Manila. I'm excited. I just love the people in the Philippines, the culture, the food. Both my wife and I enjoyed so much. Just very homey, and we're gonna be going back there, which is super exciting. Yeah. I also needed to write a letter to my readers. We'll talk about that later. But first, the Philippines. So one of the things I'm noticing that I miss about Manila is just Manila and Vietnam, at least Hanoi, are very, very different. But Manila itself is just different, mainly because I think that it is a city, and I've never lived in a city before, but at the same time I believe that it was just easy. It was super easy. And I guess we spent 3 years here, so that's part of the reasons why I miss it. Just like just things that are so familiar to me. But other than that, yeah, I think the people, I also enjoy seeing the blue sky. Hanoi is a little different just because I know that it's harder to see blue skies, but just because of the pollution. But other than that, I am truly enjoying my time right now in Manila. Some sad news. I did notice that today there was some updates online about a shooting. The world just needs a lot of help. I'm sending lots of love to my, not necessarily just Asian American community, but just the Asian community in general. I think it's so important that me, as a black person, is supporting and showing that I'm aware, and that I also want people to understand that the Asian community, just as much as our community, with no comparison, needs support right now. And it's extremely important that we are trying to show love, reaching out, and just simply showing that we're there and we care. It's just really hard, and I think it's super important that we are doing that, specifically as a black community. Other than that, again, we're here for Manila for 2 days. This is our second day. A few things have been going on with the book, which I'm excited to talk about. But first, let's go meet my friend. It's getting hot, but we gotta make it. Only got about 20 minutes. Later. Peace. Sure. My guy. And yes, so what is going on here? Let's look at the view. And one of the things that I am super, hopefully this isn't like a bad, what does this look like? It's okay. One of the things I am super excited about is this letter to my readers. So I don't know, I'm assuming this is what authors do. So a few weeks ago, I was asked to write a letter to readers, which I was super excited about. And it's basically a letter to readers about the book, why I wrote the book, and all the things. So I really enjoyed doing this letter. I hope it resonates with all of the readers out there who are interested in finding out more about themselves and understanding that they are made up of so many things, and all those things are awesome and beautiful, etc. So yeah, it's gonna be great. But until next time, peace.